Model 2007 VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC 2.0 CDTI short wheelbase, 6-speed needs injector body, white, panel van mileage 134184 MOT. The 24th of November 2023 engine 1995 CCM9R 90 bhpb transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts and runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 4 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.